A very good morning to all of you. Well, students, today we will start the next physiographic division of India, and that is the Indian desert. Students, you know that the Indian desert lies towards the western margin of Aravalli Hills. It is an undulating means ubad khabad, sandy plains covered with sand dunes. दिस रीजन रिसीव्स वेरी लो रेनफॉल. यहाँ इस एरिया में बहुत कम बारिश होती है, बिलो 150 मिलीमीटर पर ईयर. इट हैज़ एरिड क्लाइमेट विद लो वेजिटेशन कवर. स्ट्रीम्स अपीयर ड्यूरिंग द रेनी सीजन. छोटी छोटी स्ट्रीम्स दिखाई देती हैं बारिश के दिनों में ही. एंड सून आफ्टर दे डिसअपियर इनटू द सैंड एज दे डू नॉट हैव एनफ वाटर टू रीच द सी. Luni is the only large river in this region. Now, Banchans means crescent shaped dunes. जैसे चांद होता है उसकी शेप की ड्यून्स होती हैं यहाँ पर. सैंड ड्यून्स मतलब रेत के टीले. कवर लार्जर एरिया बट लॉन्गिट्यूडनल ड्यून्स बिकम मोर प्रोमिनेंट नियर द इंडो पाकिस्तान बाउंड्री. इफ़ यू विजिट जैसलमेर you may go to see a group of Barchans. Now let's move towards the coastal plains. The peninsular plateau is flanked by stretch of narrow coastal strip. Peninsular plateau घिरा हुआ है एक narrow coastal strip से, running along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. The western coast sandwich between the Western Ghat and the Arabian Sea. It is a narrow plain. It consists of 3 sections. 3 parts में divide है ये. The northern part of coast is called the Konkan, means from Mumbai to Goa. The central stretch is called Kannad Plain, while the southern stretch is referred to as the Malabar coast. Now let's move further and let's see. The plains along the Bay of Bengal, they are wider and level. In the northern part, it is referred to as the northern Sirkar, means they are divided into 2 parts, while the southern part is known as the Coromandel coast. Large rivers such as Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna and the Kaveri, they have formed extensive delta on this coast. Lake Chilka is an important feature along the eastern coast. This Lake Chilka is found in Orissa. The Lake Chilka is the largest saltwater lake in India. It lies in the state of Odisha to the south of river Mahanadi. Now next let's come to the islands. You have already seen that India has a vast mainland. Besides this और इसके अलावा the country has also 2 groups of islands. Can you identify these island groups? And surely the first one is Lakshadweep Islands, and they are lying close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. And this group of island is composed of small coral islands. Coral means tiny sea animals. When they died, they accumulate, वो इकट्ठे हो जाते हैं, their skeleton accumulate and to form big islands. Earlier they were known as Lakadweep, Minicoy and Amindev. But in 1973, they were named as Lakshadweep. It covers a small area of only 32 square kilometer. Kavarati Island is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep. This island group has great diversity of flora and fauna. बहुत ज़्यादा अलग अलग वैरायटी के डाइवर्सिटी के फ्लोरा और प्लांट किंगडम और एनिमल किंगडम पाया जाता है. द पिटी आइलैंड विच इज़ अनइनहेबिटेड हैज़ अ बर्ड सेंचुरी. जहाँ पर लोग नहीं रहते लेकिन वो बहुत बड़ी बर्ड सेंचुरी है. नाउ यू सी लेटर ऑन विल डिस्कस अबाउट द कोरल्स. लेट्स कंप्लीट दिस. नाउ यू सी द elongated chain of islands located in the Bay of Bengal, extending from north to south. These are Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are bigger in size and they are more numerous and scattered as compared to Lakshadweep Islands. The entire group of islands is divided into 2 broad categories. The first one is Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. It is believed that these islands are an elevated portion of submarine mountains. कि जो समुद्र के नीचे माउंटेन्स थे उनका उभरा हुआ रूप है, ये माना जाता है. These island groups, they are of great strategic importance for the country because there is a great diversity of flora and fauna in this group of islands too. These islands lie close to the equator क्योंकि इक्वेटर के नज़दीक है and experience equatorial climate and has thick forest cover. India's only active volcano is found on Barren Island in Andaman and Nicobar group of islands. Now, a detailed account of the different physiographic units highlight the unique features of each region. हमने जितना भी पढ़ा है उससे हमें पता लग गया कि इंडिया में बिल्कुल एक डिफरेंट तरह के physiographic divisions हैं. It would however be clear that each region complements the other. लेकिन इससे क्लियर भी हो गया कि एक एरिया दूसरे को के साथ जुड़ता है या दूसरे के साथ ही पूरा होता है and makes the country richer in its natural resources. The mountains are the major source of water and forest wealth. The northern plains are the granaries of the country. They provide the base for early civilization. The plateau is a storehouse of minerals which has played a crucial role in the industrialization of the country. The coastal region and island groups provide sites for fishing and port activities. Thus, the diverse physical features of the land, they have immense future possibility of development. So students, this is all for this chapter, physiographic divisions of India या physical features of India. Now I think the things are clear to you and let us only read this small part and corals. Now what is corals? Coral polyps are short-lived microscopic, बहुत छोटे 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 जो माइक्रोस्कोप से दिखते हैं ये ऑर्गेनिज्म हैं which live in colonies. They flourish in shallow, mud-free and warm water. They secrete calcium carbonate. The coral secretion and their skeleton form coral deposits in the form of reef. They are mainly of three kinds. तीन तरह के ये coral reefs होते हैं: barrier reefs, fringing reefs and atolls. The Great Barrier Reef of Australia is a good example of the first kind of coral reefs. Atolls are circular or horseshoe shaped coral reefs. So in the brief I can say you that corals, they are tiny sea animals, I mean to say microscopic organism. When they die, their skeletons, they just accumulate with each other and they form islands, and that is why these Lakshadweep islands, they are made up of these coral reefs or coral microorganisms. That's why they are also known as coral islands. Now this is all for the day and the chapter is clear. Now from tomorrow we will be starting the next chapter. Till then, bye and have a nice day.